Marijuana Melanites. Marijuana Melanites are here. We're shedding light to awaken the masses to the beauty of herb shared in a new light. It's a new day, and black people have a right to get in on this new money stream, one hand or both in the honey pot. Other races have benefited from while we're being locked up and put away. What the fuck? They make millions while we do time for dime bags and less. We're coming for ours by writing truth, decriminalize and legalize cannabis. For many can now enjoy meals due to the flower that heals. Don't denigrate. Nah, celebrate relief from pain of all types. This isn't hype to get high and stay faded. Nah, we're lifting vibrations for a plant that's too hated by those who just haven't taken time to get in the know. Marijuana Melanites are here, so let's go. Marijuana Melanites. Marijuana Melanites are here. We're shedding light to awaken the masses to the beauty of herb shared in a new light. It's a new